Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to discuss if it's okay to use the same creative all over again and again and again with your Facebook ads. So this is a situation that I have seen again and again in other accounts that I go and I see, for example, one creative which is working since 2020 and they cannot find another one which is working as this one. Now let's analyze if it's good or bad. First of all, you're not going to decide if it's good or bad. The results are going to dictate that and the ROAS that you are getting and all of that. Forget about things like saturation and all of that they say. As long as it's working, you keep using it. Now, there are two different ways of using a creative. So one way is that I'm doing ads and I'm just using it as an ad. And the other way is I'm keep using the same post ID all over again and again. There are two completely different cases, and I can tell you that when you use the same post ID, you can go for years. I have seen it. But when you use the same creative again and again in ads, a lot of times it has less lifetime. If you have a post which you are building all the time with ID as an ID and you're having comments and everything, this can work flawlessly. And don't start thinking that people are getting tired because they're seeing the same post and everything, because let me tell you something, people are not going to even remember this again, okay? And the point here is that if something is working, we don't change it as long as the ROAS is good. So don't think all the time about the creative and if you have to use it all over again, but this is not an excuse for you not to keep trying all the time to find another creative and another creative. So that means that the people that most of the times fail with these strategies is the people that they're not trying to find other creatives that are going to work also at the same time or something that's going to replace it. Most of the times, just so that we can be clear, there's not going to be any creative that is going to replace this good creative. So forget about it. But finding other creatives that are going to also work, maybe it's going to help you scale. And on the other hand, it's going to make you feel better instead of just feeling that you're just using something and if it dies, you are not having any other way of actually operating with your business. Don't forget that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, my course, and of course my website. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.